Hi everybody, this is Arkady Frekhtman, a New York City personal injury trial attorney, and I'm coming to you today, June 20th, Monday, and I just wanted to give everybody an update about our YouTube channel and our plans for the future. So thank you for all of our subscribers and viewers. We've actually grown and we're about to hit 1,600 subscribers, and I think the total views on our channel is nearing 2 million views. So thank you for that. That's excellent that people are interested. And I was thinking of ways to get more interaction, right? Because our mission is helping serious injury victims and their families. So how do we get more interaction with the community, whether it's in New York, where I practice law, or maybe it's somewhere else, right? We're getting inquiries from all over the country, and I'm happy to do it. I really enjoy speaking with people and helping them. Like I spoke with a really nice man and his wife down in Louisiana, and I spoke with somebody in, I believe, San Antonio, Texas, and I spoke with a nice man in Mississippi, and actually we were able to find him an attorney for a serious back surgery case. So I'm really happy to help people. That's my goal. I'm not, even if, I speak to people and they don't end up hiring me. Sometimes all they need is a consultation and they need to be explained certain things. And then they just decide, you know what, I'm gonna stay with my lawyer. Or you know what, maybe, I don't even need a lawyer. A lot of people decided to stay with their lawyer. One gentleman, he was unhappy with the settlement, but we found out that it was too late to undo it because he already signed. And, maybe there was a misunderstanding between him and his attorney, but he already signed, so we were unable to continue the case and go to trial because it was a done deal, and he understood that. And at least, sometimes all people need is just like an understanding, right? They want to talk to somebody, they want to understand their rights, which is everybody's fundamental right, I believe, to understand your legal rights, to know where you are legally. That's why you hire a lawyer. You hire a lawyer for results. You want to get a lot of money maybe for a civil case. You want to get millions of dollars. But sometimes you just hire a lawyer because you don't know. And the lawyer knows, and the lawyer can guide you, right? The lawyer could explain the whole path, right? The road and all of the different issues on the road, right? As you walk down that path, there could be this, there could be that, and then they have an understanding, and that helps people. So I had these ideas, and I wanted to share them with you. These are my ideas for ways to improve the channel. I thought maybe one of the ways is I could do phone calls, and maybe I can do consultations with people who text me or that call. And if the person gives their permission, maybe we could make these calls recorded, or we could do a Zoom, and then that could be added to our channel. Because first of all, it would protect the person's, confidentiality, their name or any information they wouldn't want in the video or in the call obviously wouldn't be there. We would edit out anything confidential. But I thought it would be interesting because you would get to hear some of these client stories. Because sometimes I'm on a call, whether it's in the office or at home, or sometimes when I'm driving home, I'm on a headset and I'm chatting with people and I'm giving them, advice. And then after the call, maybe it's a 20-minute call, 30-minute call. After the call, I'm thinking to myself, wow, if that was on our YouTube channel, that could help so many people. That was such a great call. So then I was thinking, well, why not do that, right? If people consent and we do that, maybe we could give some client stories, some trial stories, some stories about liability, what happened, stories about ways to approach certain situations, like with medical care or finding out insurance limits. It could be really, really helpful for people. So I think that's one idea, right? So let me know what you think about that idea. And then the second idea I had was maybe just start doing some lives, because right now I'm pretty much live. I didn't write anything. There's no script. I'm just chatting off the top of my head. But if I do a live, maybe at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., once or twice a week, then people can come on and they could give comments and they can ask questions, and I can try to answer your questions live. And that way I'm responding to my viewers, right? I'm giving you what you want, which is also one of my goals. I want to help people and answer their questions. So number one, client stories. Number two, lives. And, and maybe some other ideas. Let us know what ideas you guys have, because, with 1,600 subscribers and almost 2 million views, we have a lot of people out there. And, you probably are more familiar with YouTube, Facebook, other platforms on either social media or just the internet that I am. And maybe there are other ideas for collaboration, for interaction, maybe in the comments, or I like the cell phone idea because I get a text, I respond to the text, we schedule a time to chat, and then I do chat with a lot of the people, and then I give them a consultation. I can help. If I can help, I'll help. Sometimes I can't help because, legally it's not a case, or perhaps, for whatever reason, but I try to help as much as I can. And I think it's been going well. Like I mentioned, gotten some cases out in California, New York, obviously, New Jersey, pretty much anywhere in the country. I even started building out like a master list of all the lawyers that I've worked with, my partners, all across the country. That way, if we get a call and that I'm busy, I'm in trial, or I'm in a deposition, hey, my staff will have access to this list, and then they could maybe, help guide the individual and give them a referral partner that we trust. Because we don't just like find people, willy-nilly and just start giving you names. We do our due diligence to make sure that they're a trial attorney, that they're a member of a trial community, that they have experience like AV rating or board certified, or a partner in one of the groups that I'm in, like the Trial Lawyers for Justice, or the Trial Lawyers College, or the New York State Academy of Trial Lawyers, or the New York State Bar Association, if it's somewhere in New York, like upstate New York, or if it's somewhere else in another part of the country, the same thing, right? That they're a member, and I'm a member of a bunch of different groups. There's Trial School, there's, like I mentioned, the Trial Lawyers College, the Trial Lawyers for Justice, Trial by Human group. Each of these groups have their own like listserv. There's the American Association for Justice, the AAJ. That's a really big one. That's a great one. So, it just depends. And just from my own experience, I kind of know. And there's also so many niches, right? Like some lawyers are great for trucking, but they just do trucking. Other lawyers are known for construction, yet others are known for premises liability. There's one lawyer in Georgia, I actually read his book all about premises liability. He's an expert in that field. So I hope this has been helpful. Let us know what you think of those two ideas. Number one, maybe putting up some client stories, getting some clients on the channel, and we could chat with them either in audio or video. And of course, keep the confidential stuff out, whatever they don't want out, and we have to get their consent first. And number two, doing some lives where I come on live and you can drop me a comment while I'm live, and I could try to answer it, or whatever I don't get to, I could do videos later and get to in the next episode. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Let us know what else you want to see, because I'm in the process now of creating what's known as a content calendar, where I write out certain ideas and then we'll make a calendar, and then I'll start, doing that content. 'Cause I'm always like I like it to be 2 to 3 weeks ahead. Today I'm doing this, just off the cuff, but I like to be 2 to 3 weeks ahead with the substantive, meaningful topics, and then I have a chance to prepare, do a little research, and then let maybe 1 or 2 of the videos get released every week. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. We're here for you. Let us know what questions you have. Like and subscribe to our channel, and let us know what questions you have so we can help you. Okay, have a great day, everyone. Talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.